Hi guys, Barnes here, and today I will show you the backside half cab flip. Backside half cab flip is a relatively easy trick, and if you already know how to fake your backside 180, also known as a backside half cab, and you are good with your Fakie kickflip, you can learn it quick. Because this trick is a combination of those tricks, and also the momentum is helping you while you're riding Fakie, and it makes the rotation easier. We are rolling Fakie, so your foot placement for the backside half cab flip, me personally, front foot on the tail kind of centered and the back foot on the bolts with a slight angle, pretty much the same as a Fakie flip. As you're rolling Fakie, this trick is very similar to the backside half cab, you just have to add the extra flip in there. My shoulders straight and my body centered with the board, and as you start the trick, make sure you wind up your shoulders, otherwise you might not twist all the way around. So set up your feet like a Fakie flip, start to wind up your shoulders and pop like your backside half cab, but with your back foot, do a Fakie flip motion and aim for the pocket where your nose starts and rotate your body as you are following the board. Look down on your board, and when you see the board did the flip and rotated around, catch it, and if you need, you can still correct it as you land when your back foot comes around so you can ride away nicely. Try to be centered at all time, travel with your board because if you are leaning either way, you will shoot out your board and you are not going to land your trick. Also, don't try to flip as quick as possible, try to do a slow flip so your board is rotating with the same speed as flipping. So that's about it. Hopefully you got some tips to your backside half cab flip. Make sure you practice your Fakie backside 180 kickflip or backside half cab flip, and if you still need help, you can leave your comments and I will get back to you. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.